Our Category 6A modular connectors, combined with our compatible crimp tool, is the perfect solution for managing peer-to-peer crosstalk and meeting Category 6A performance requirements. Our modular crimp tool is designed for the professional installer to provide a high-leverage, ultra-stable platform for consistent, repeatable terminations. The handles feature a rugged PVC design for a better and more comfortable grip. The sturdy steel frame sports a black oxide coating for maximum rust resistance. And the crimp die, built for 6P and 8P modular connectors, delivers precise crimps every time. Our Category 6A modular connectors, offered in bags of 50, contain gold-plated contacts for optimal transmission and accept both solid and stranded cables. The load bars are included and assist in conductor alignment to provide a quality install the first time. Let's look at how easy it is to quickly construct a Category 6A patch cable using our connector and tool while at the job site. After stripping the cable jacket, the pair separator isolates all 4 pairs as shown to control crosstalk. In this example, we are using the 568B wiring scheme. For the 568A wiring scheme, simply switch the green and orange pairs. Now, the conductors are untwisted, straightened, and diagonally trimmed as required for many conventional RJ45 connector terminations. The diagonal cut allows longer conductors to be placed in the load bar first to ease placement. Starting with the orange pair, slide the conductors into the load bar and seat the load bar as close as possible to the pair separator that's minimizing untwist. The load bar has the green pair offset to the bottom, further enhancing the connector's crosstalk between the 4-5 and 3-6 pair. The conductors are now ready to be trimmed at the end of the load bar. The load bar allows the conductors to be twisted right up to the point of termination with the connector's insulation displacement contacts for maximum performance. With all the conductors properly arranged, slide the load bar into the connector housing until secure. The pair twist right up to the termination point is ideal for electrical performance. Insert the connector into the crimp die, pushing the jacket firmly to ensure the load bar stays in the front of the connector housing, and squeeze the tool completely until it releases. Congratulations! You have successfully terminated the connector IDCs, and the connector is secure on the cable. For more information on these products, or to place an order, please contact your Vericom representative. Call 865-671-4455, email sales@vericomsolutions.com, or visit vericomsolutions.com.